Why do 75% of people with poor sleep experience skin issues? Let's break it down in just 60 seconds. Lack of sleep leads to dark circles and puffiness. Your skin loses its ability to repair overnight. Dermatologists say poor sleep dilates blood vessels, causing those pesky dark circles. Next up, increased acne and breakouts. Sleep deprivation spikes stress hormones like cortisol, which means more acne. Studies from the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine back this up. And let's talk about dull skin and premature aging. No sleep, no collagen. Poor sleep quality speeds up wrinkles, according to the National Sleep Foundation. Plus, without enough sleep, your skin's moisture levels drop, leading to dryness and dehydration. Dermatologists stress how crucial sleep is for hydration. Finally, sleep deprivation weakens your skin's barrier, making it more vulnerable to environmental damage. Studies show sleep impacts your skin's healing and barrier function. Want better skin? Prioritize your sleep. Like, share, and subscribe for more skincare insights. And remember, for personalized advice, always consult a dermatologist.